वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल एवरीवन। होप यू आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। आज जिस टॉपिक पे हम बात करने वाले हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर दोज हु आर प्लानिंग टू स्टार्ट देयर ओन बिजनेस और आर ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ क्रिएटिंग वन। सो इन पास्ट 5 years मैंने बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप शुरू किए एंड बहुतों में मैंने फेल किया, राइट। द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस वाज दैट आज मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस लोगों के साथ शेयर कर पा रहा हूँ एंड विच इज़ हेल्पिंग देम आइडेंटिफाई सम अर्ली बैरियर्स, and in that process they are able to achieve the required result in a much faster way. So before starting this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit that bell icon to get regular notification. As I always say, let's get started. Welcome back guys. आज हम कुछ नया ट्राई करने वाले हैं. So this is the point where you are going to see all your pointers and I would like to explain you that way. So before starting, I would like to give a brief intro of what topic we are going to discuss. So there are two kinds of business ideally. One where you offer products, the other one where you offer services. अब दोनों में अपनी एक एडवांटेजेस होती हैं, डिसएडवांटेजेस होती हैं. एडवांटेजेस अगर बोला जाए तो प्रोडक्ट में द बिगेस्ट एडवांटेज इज दैट इट्स अ टेंजिबल थिंग, राइट. एंड उसकी जो भी क्वालिटीज़ हैं आप कस्टमर को डायरेक्टली शो कर सकते हैं, right, which you cannot do in terms of where you are offering a service. क्योंकि सर्विस के केस में what happens is unless and until let's say you give a free plan or someone comes to you or experiences the way you actually deliver the service, he will never be able to know, right. On the contrary, if you see the disadvantages, product में the biggest disadvantages उसमें initially investments लगते हैं. सर्विस में the best part is आपको investment के फ्रंट पे आपको छूट है, क्योंकि आई मीन देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ सर्विस इंडस्ट्रीज. अब डिपेंड करता है आप किस में सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं. अगर आप एक ऐसे देयर आर इंडस्ट्रीज वेयर सर्विसेज कैन बी प्रोवाइडेड at absolutely free of cost, and also there are industries where services के लिए बहुत heavy initial investment लग सकता है, right. Now coming directly to the topic, the first point that we are going to discuss today is people choose the wrong business. Now when I say this, I mean लोगों का यूजुअल मेंटालिटी क्या होता है कि कोई और बिजनेस कर रहा है, दे सी इट, दे लाइक इट एंड दे ट्राई टू कॉपी इट, एंड दैट इज ऑलवेज देयर सो मोटो कि कॉपी कर देना वॉट एवर द स्ट्रैटेजी इज. लेट्स से देयर इज अ बिग प्लेयर इन द मार्केट एंड आपने देखा कि उन्होंने कोई एक स्ट्रैटेजी अपनाई एंड इमीडिएटली यू ऑल्सो स्टार्ट कॉपिंग दैट. एंड उससे होता क्या है, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि बिजनेसेस अप नहीं होते हैं. एंड व्हेन पीपल आस्क अस कि बस हमने भी तो वही स्ट्रैटेजी अपनाई बट उनका हुआ, हमारा क्यों नहीं हुआ. नाउ देयर इज अ बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन applying the same strategy and the way you apply it. अब when you are applying a particular strategy, you should understand that whatever business you start, right, may it be a street food business or it might be a big let's say a big luxury car showroom that you want to set up. So all these businesses, whatever you do, must be backed by some amount of your passion. बिकॉज लोग क्या करते हैं, लोगों का मेन इंटेंशन व्हेन इट कम्स टू माइंड कि बॉस बिजनेस हमें शुरू करना है, दे ट्राई टू लुक फॉरवर्ड टू द प्रॉफिट एंगल ऑफ इट. लेकिन किसी को ये नहीं समझ में आता है कि बॉस बिजनेस तो तब होगा जब कस्टमर्स उस प्रोडक्ट को खरीदेंगे या उस सर्विस को अवेल करेंगे. एंड व्हेन विल दे अवेल और बाय द प्रोडक्ट, व्हेन विल दे अवेल द सर्विस और बाय द प्रोडक्ट, दे विल अवेल ओनली व्हेन देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम, राइट. कुछ देयर इज सम गैप, राइट. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर if I'm having an exam and I don't have a pen, only then I'll go to a shop and buy a pen, right. But that is now having an exam and not having a pen is my problem statement. And how did I solve it? I just went to the shop and bought it. Now you have to understand that for a customer to avail your service or to purchase your product, what are the different problem statements that might lead him to you, right. So in this process many people forget that they don't address the problem statement, rather they just focus on selling the item. And trust me, this doesn't happen this way. if you try selling your item without addressing the problem statement, definitely you're not going to make sales for sure. The second point, that is a very crucial point that I think everyone, including me, have done. I mean, that's a blunder actually, where each one of us, like every entrepreneur you ask, they always want a perfect plan before starting. You know the reason why they do that? Because none of them want to fail. And this is common to for everyone. No one wants to fail. Everyone wants a perfect plan, that it should be a very happy go path. You go step 1, step 2, step 10, and step 11 there should be a credit message to your account and you should get that. So this is something which is very hypothetical, I would say, because there is nothing called a perfect plan. हर प्लान को एक स्टार्ट होता है एक बेसिक नेसेंट लेवल से, then it improvises as you make mistakes, you go further, you try and amend the plan overall, then make changes to the ground level things, ground level processes, and that's what makes the plan better and better every day. But you need to understand that you should have that patience and that acumen to actually withstand that much pressure, because that's not I mean, if you take it as a something which is giving you pressure, you will definitely feel it. But if you consider it as a learning phase and if you try to improvise over it, then definitely you will enjoy that phase as well. The third important point, which I think many of you might not agree with me, is people try to do it alone. You know, I totally agree. There are many people out there in the market who have done it single-handedly, right? But what I feel is not everyone is gifted with everything, right? So you should understand that हर इंसान की अपनी एक क्वालिटी होती है, राइट? एंड जब आप एक टीम फॉर्म करते हो वेयर एवरीवन हैज़ देयर ओन यूनिक सेट ऑफ क्वालिटीज एंड combined together, the offering which your customer gets or the product that he purchases becomes a really good product, right? And product, when I say product, that doesn't mean only the development team. I would also include the sales team, the after sales service team, the people who are at the reception, who are addressing the customer, who are talking to them, who are calling them, right, who are doing the follow-up, who are taking the payment, who are managing it, right? All those people included, I would say that they form the entire team, and each one have their own unique set of talents, and you must understand that without them you cannot actually drive a business, right? So never try to do it alone. Try to form a team. Try to form a team of like-minded people. Okay. The fourth point, which I feel most will agree with me, is everyone thinks that in order to make money we need to spend money. But you know, that is the biggest myth which people feel. And why I'm telling you this, because I've seen YouTubers who have actually earned millions and billions by just holding a phone camera, not even on a tripod. They've maybe kept a book and kept the phone inclined to it, and they have shot videos, right? We have seen those kind of cases as well. And you need to understand that the quality is what that matters, right? It doesn't matter what gear you use, what equipment you use. I've also seen people, when there was a session we had where एक डिस्कशन चल रहा था कि वी नीड टू सेट अप अ रेस्टोरेंट, एंड रेस्टोरेंट किस चीज़ का ना, there's a French dish, right, which we need to showcase. And the best part was कि लोगों का mentality ये था कि we need to invest this much and millions and trillions. But then suddenly a person came in and he said, boss, let us first go to the market and see कि ये product चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा Indian standard के हिसाब से. So what they did, they talked to one of the event organizers, right? And उनसे उन्होंने एक they took a booth, right? उन्होंने एक booth लिया किसी एक event में, and उन्होंने इस product का एक stall लगाया. They had all these catchy, they did not want to invest much, so उन्होंने कुछ catchy phrases और ये करके उन्होंने पूरा stall को decorate किया. And what they did was उन्होंने उस product को sell किया. and the amazing response they got. Trust me, that amazing response helped them in understanding that boss इसको हम अगर इसमें हम invest करते हैं, definitely we are going to get returns, and those kind of things do work. So it's always advisable that instead of jumping on to make huge investments, first do a pilot project and then go forward. The next point that again is more into like working in a team is people tend to make wrong partners. You know, you'll be surprised because you'll say, Kisanjog, you said that we need to form a team, and now you're saying people make wrong partners. How do I identify if he's a good partner or not? Now, when I say this, what I mean is that don't be in a hurry, right? Don't be in a hurry to form partnership. It shouldn't happen this way that you go to a pub one day and meet one person and you realize that he also thinks the same way as you, and suddenly you propose him a plan where you offer him partnership. And what happens then is eventually kuch din baad there is tension, and finally वो partnership भी टूट जाता है and आपका business भी काम नहीं करता. So what do you need to do in such cases? In these cases, a simple tip is to spend time with anyone you are even thinking of. Spend time with them. See if you have that emotional or that friendly bond between yourself and the other person, so that end of the day it should come out as a concrete plan where you can actually visualize a long term relationship with that person. And because businesses are, I mean, you want a business to be long term, so you need to ensure that the partnership is also long term. So you need to visualize that and you need to make sure that happens. Okay, the next point, and the most important point, I would say this is the most important point, and no one can skip this for sure, is people stop learning. This is something which personally, by God's grace, I haven't faced ever, because I've always went into, but I've seen many people who have actually stopped learning once they start making profits, because they feel that whatever they have done till now, if they keep repeating it, they'll get the results what they have got till now. But this doesn't happen that way. Instead, the world is changing, right? Eventually, there was a time when we used to have Nokia smartphones, but then Nokia didn't upgrade, but Samsung and all other companies, they upgraded to Android and iOS. And when they did so, today the situation is all we know, right? And you don't want to become like a dinosaur, right, who is no more. And for that, आपको एक ही सिंपल चीज़ करनी पड़ेगी, you need to upgrade. And upgrade करने के लिए क्या ज़रूरी है? You need to learn. So keep on learning. आपके पास बुक्स होने चाहिए, आपके पास आजकल बहुत ईजी हो गया है, because you can learn from YouTube, you can learn from blogs, you can learn from anywhere and everything. There are so many paid things, there are so many websites where you can learn. If you want me to propose you some websites, I'll leave the link in the description and you might learn as well from there. So बहुत सारे sources हैं, आप वहाँ से पढ़ सकते हैं. But the crux is keep learning, because that is the one thing which will build that fire within, ki haan boss, I have reached till this stage and I need to reach till that stage, right? The last point, and a very important point, which I think most of you who are currently planning to actually start their own businesses, लोगों को ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस में बहुत इंटरेस्ट है, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि जो काम कर गया है उसी पे लेट्स वर्क ऑन दैट, राइट? और उसके लिए लोग करते क्या हैं, जैसे बहुत सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं हु आर ओनिंग डिफरेंट फ्रेंचाइजीज, राइट? देयर आर my friends who have these like there's one of my friend who has BMW showroom, right? So उन्होंने franchises लिए हैं और उन franchises को own करने के लिए उन्होंने heavy loans लिए हैं बैंक से. मेरा सजेशन आपसे एक ही चीज़ होगा कि बस सब करिए, लोन्स लीजिए, फ्रेंचाइजीज ओन करिए, बट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर नॉट ओवर स्ट्रेसिंग योरसेल्फ विद दीज थिंग्स, राइट? यू शुड हैव दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि यू शुड बी एबल टू मैनेज, कि because if you're taking a loan, that is adding up to your liability side of your statement, right? So you need to understand that there should be a corresponding asset as well, right? If you're able to, why do we call it a balance sheet? Because it balances your assets and liabilities, and you need an equity as well, for sure. So you need to understand that unless and until your liabilities are in control and your assets are continuously coming up, you will not be able to get into a trouble, right? That will save. So if so to make sure that you are in a safe condition and you are working properly and you have your mind in place, you are able to expand properly, make sure that whenever you are going for a loan, research on the business that you are planning to do, research on the geography or the demographics of the area where you are planning to set up the business, because you need to understand that let's say I set up a BMW car showroom in a village. Will that make sense? No, right? Because people don't have that much money to buy a BMW car. But if I try and set up um, and on the contrary, if I try to set up let's say a normal two-wheeler showroom, normal two-wheeler showroom, not these luxury bikes, but normal two-wheeler showroom in an area where all the HNI customers are staying. So do you think it will work? I don't think so. But it will definitely work the other way around if you are switching it, right? So just try and understand that a lot of research is required. So I have covered all these steps and researches, what kind of things you need to do in many of my videos. You can access the playlist over here in the description, and please do check out our website, because over there we are offering a free consultancy plan where you can talk to our experts, understand what kind of business you want to start. You can avail our paid business consultancy, where we are giving you a roadmap for yourself. We are giving you a 30-day setup challenge as well, where you will get the chance to set up the entire system for your business. And at the end, we are also helping you create campaigns for yourself, so that your product or the service that you want to offer to your customers are reaching to the right customers in the right time, right? So try and understand this. Give this video a thumbs up, share it to all your friends, whoever you want to start your business with. Make good partners, and please comment whatever questions you have. Talk to you later. Bye bye.